students. Today we are going to discuss about continuity of exercise 6.3. Now recapturing the trigonometric identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Third one, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இன்னும் 6 ஐடென்டிட்டிஸ் கொண்டு வரலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Next one, cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Then cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Next one, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Then secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That's all. Then trigonometric ratios. Here using 6 ratios. Then sin theta, second one cos theta, third one tan theta, fourth one cosecant theta, fifth one secant theta, and sixth one cot theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta, and also reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. இந்த டேபிளை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு ஈஸியான ஒரு டிப்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், sin theta. Here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Here taking square root of 0, 1/4, half, 3/4 and 1. Square root of 0 is 0. Then that is sin 0 is 0. Then square root of 1/4 is 1/2. That is sin 30 degree. Then square root of half is 1/√2. That is sin 45 degree. Then square root of 3/4 is √3/2. Then that is sin 60 degree. Then square root of 1 is 1. Right. Then cos theta. Here interchanging 0 degree and 90 degree of sin theta. Then cos 0 1. Then cos 90 0. And also interchanging 30 degree and 60 degree of sin theta. Then √3/2. That is cos 30 degree. Then cos 60 degree 1/2. Cos 45 degree அப்படியே டவுன் பண்ணிக்கலாம் 1/√2. We know the concept tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Then tan theta is equal to tan 0 is equal to 0/1 0. Then tan 30 degree is equal to 1/√2 divided by √3/2. We get 1/√3. Then tan 45 degree is equal to 1/√2 divided by 1/√2. We get 1. Then tan 60 degree is equal to √3/2 divided by 1/2. We get √3. That is tan 60 degree. Then tan 90 degree is equal to 1/0. That is not defined. Then cosecant theta. Then reciprocal of sin theta. Then 1/0 not defined. then reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, that is cosecant 30 degree. Then cosecant 45 degree is equal to root 2, that is reciprocal of sin theta. Then cosecant 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3, that is reciprocal of sin 60 degree. And cosecant 90 degree is 1, that is reciprocal of sin 90 degree. And also secant theta reciprocal of cos theta. Then 1 by 1 1, that is sin 0, then secant 0. Then secant 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3, that is reciprocal of cos 30 degree. Then secant 45 degree is equal to root 2, that is reciprocal of cos 45 degree. Then secant 60 degree is equal to 2, that is reciprocal of cos 60 degree. And secant 90 degree, that is reciprocal of cos 90 degree. Then last one cot theta, that is reciprocal of tan theta. Then cot 0 degree not defined, because 1 by 0 is not defined, right? Cot 30 degree is root 3, that is reciprocal of tan 30 degree. Then cot 45 degree, that is reciprocal of tan 45 degree. Then cot 60 degree, that is reciprocal of tan 60 degree. And cot 90 degree is equal to 0, that is reciprocal of tan 90 degree. Tan 90 is equal to not defined, that means 1 by 0. Then reciprocal of 1 by 0 is 0 by 1, then 0 by 1 is 0, therefore cot 90 degree is equal to 0. That's all. That is easy way. Now we see example 6.26. A player sitting on the top of a tower of height 20 meter observes the angle of depression of a ball lying on the ground as 60 degree. Find the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Solution: let BC be the height of the tower and A be the position of the ball lying on the ground, and C be the observation point. Given BC is equal to 20 meter and angle XCA is equal to 60 degree, then angle XCA is equal to angle CAB is equal to 60 degree, because alternate interior angles are equal. Let AB is equal to x meters. In a right angled triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then tan 60 degree is equal to BC divided by AB. Then root 3 is equal to 20 divided by x. Since tan 60 is equal to root 3, BC is equal to 20 and AB is equal to x. Then x shift to left hand side and root 3 shift to right hand side. We get x is equal to 20 divided by root 3. Then x is equal to 20 divided by root 3. Multiply root 3 on numerator and denominator. Then x is equal to 20 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Then x is equal to 20 into 1.732 divided by root 3 into root 3, we get 3. Then x is equal to 20 into 1.732 divided by 3. Since root 3 is equal to 1.732. After simplifying, we get x is equal to 11.54 meter. Hence the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball is 11.54 meter. Next one, example 6.27. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 140 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 30 degree. If the height of the first building is 60 meter, find the height of the second building. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Solution. Let AB be the height of the first building and CD be the height of the second building and C be the observation point. Then given AB is equal to 60 meter, then AB is equal to MD is equal to 60 meter. Draw BD parallel to AM. Let CD is equal to H meter. Distance BD is equal to 140 meter. Now AM is equal to BD is equal to 140 meter. From the diagram, angle XCA is equal to 30 degree is equal to angle CAM. Since both angles are alternate interior angle, then angle XCA is equal to angle CAM is equal to 30 degree. In a right angled triangle AMC, we should take tan 30 degree. Then tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then tan 30 is equal to CM divided by AM. Then 1 by root 3 is equal to CM divided by 140. Since tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 and AM is equal to 140. Then CM in the same position, 140 shift to left hand side, then 140 divided by root 3 is equal to CM. Then CM is equal to 140 divided by root 3. Then CM is equal to 140 divided by root 3. Multiply root 3 on numerator and denominator. Then CM is equal to 140 divided by root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Then CM is equal to 140 root 3 divided by 3. Since root 3 into root 3, 3. Then CM is equal to 140 into 1.732 divided by 3. Since root 3 is equal to 1.732. After simplification, CM is equal to 80.78. Now H is equal to CD, then height of the second building. Then CD is equal to CM plus MD. Then 80.78 plus 60. We get CD is equal to 140.78. Therefore, the height of the second building is 140.78 meter. That's all. Example 6.28. From the top of a tower 50 meter high, the angle of diffraction of a top and bottom of a tree are observed to be 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the tree. Given root 3 is equal to 1.732. ஒரு டவரில் இருந்து ஆப்போசிட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ட்ரீயோட டாப் அண்டு பாட்டம் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதனோட ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டிப்ரெஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி ட்ரீயோட ஹைட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். சொல்யூஷன்: let AB and CD be the height of the tower and height of the tree respectively. Let A be the point of observation. Then AB is equal to 50 meter, that is given. Let the height of the tree CD is equal to y meter. Then draw DB parallel to CM. Then BD is equal to X. Then BD is equal to CM is equal to X meter. From the diagram, angle XAC is equal to 30 degree. Then angle XAC is equal to angle ACM is equal to 30 degree. Since alternate interior angles are equal, and angle XAD is equal to angle ADB is equal to 45 degree. Here also alternate interior angles are equal. In right angled triangle ABD, tan 45 degree is equal to AB divided by BD. tan 45ல ஆப்போசிட் சைடும் adjacent சைடும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். ஏன்னா tan 45ஓட வேல்யூ 1. Here 1 is equal to 50 divided by x. Then x is equal to 50 meter. Second diagram, in right angled triangle AMC, here tan 30 degree is equal to AM divided by CM. Then 1 by root 3 is equal to AM divided by 50. Since DB is equal to CM, so AM divided by 50. AM in the same place, 50 shift to left hand side, we get AM is equal to 50 divided by root 3. Then AM is equal to 50 divided by root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Here multiplying root 3 on numerator and denominator. So AM is equal to 50 root 3 divided by 3. Then root 3 into root 3, 3. Then AM is equal to 50 into 1.732 divided by 3. Since root 3 is equal to 1.732. After simplification, AM is equal to 28.85 meter. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to, that is CD is equal to MB is equal to AB minus AM. Then 50 minus 28.85, we get 21.15 meter. Therefore, the height of the tree is equal to 21.15 meter. That's all. Example 6.29. As observed from the top of a 60 meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two chips are 28 degree and 45 degree. If one chip is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two chips. Tan 28 degree is equal to 0.5317. That is question. ஸோ ஒரு லைட் ஹவுஸோட டாப்பில் இருந்து டூ சிப்ஸை வந்து அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ஒன்றின் பின்னால் இன்னொன்று இருக்குது. அதனோட ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டிப்ரெஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. லாஸ்ட்டாக டூ சிப்ஸோட டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. சொல்யூஷன்: let the observer on the lighthouse CD be at D. Then let CD be the height of the lighthouse. Then D is the point of observation. Height of the lighthouse CD is equal to 60 meter. That is given. Angle of depression from the diagram, angle X DA is equal to 28 degree. Then angle XDA is equal to angle DAC is equal to 28 degree. Here alternate interior angles are equal, so both angles are equal. And also angle XDB is equal to angle DBC is equal to 45 degree. Here also alternate interior angles are equal. In right angled triangle DCB, tan 45 degree is equal to DC divided by BC. Then 1 is equal to 60 divided by BC. Since tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and DC is equal to 60, then BC shift to left hand side, we get BC into 1 is equal to 60, then BC is equal to 60 meter. Right. In right angled triangle DCA, we take tan 28 degree is equal to DC divided by AC. Then 0.5317 is equal to 60 divided by AC. AC shift to left hand side and 0.5317 shift to right hand side. AC is equal to 60 divided by 0.5317. Then after simplifying we get AC is equal to 112.85. Distance between two chips AB, we need AB, so AB is equal to AC minus BC, total distance minus BC. Then 112.85 minus 60, we get 52.85 meter. Therefore distance between the two chips is equal to 52.85 meter. Next on example 6.30, a man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. The boat makes an angle of depression of 60 degree with the man's eye when at a distance of 200 meter from the tower. After 10 seconds, the angle of depression becomes 45 degree. What is the approximate speed of the boat in kilometer per hour, assuming that it is sailing in still water. Then root 3 is equal to 1.732. ஒரு மேன் டவரோட டாப்பில் இருந்து ஒரு போட்டை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுறாரு. அதனோட ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டிப்ரெஷன் 60 டிகிரி. அது டவரோட பாட்டமில் இருந்து அவரோட ஐ லெவல் வரைக்கும் 200 மீட்டர் ஹைட்டில் இருக்குது. ஆஃப்டர் 10 செகண்ட்ஸில் அந்த போட் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா டவரோட பாட்டம்லேருந்து ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு பிளேஸில் இருக்கும், அந்த பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி போகுது. அதனோட ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டிப்ரெஷன் 45 டிகிரி. ஸோ அந்த சி ஒரு பொசிஷன்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பொசிஷனுக்கு போகிறதுனுடைய ஸ்பீடு கேட்குறாங்க. let AB be the height of the tower and let C and D be the positions of the boat. From the diagram, given BC is equal to 200 meter, angle XAC is equal to 60 degree. Here angle XAC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 60 degree, because alternate interior angles are equal. And also angle XAD is equal to 45 degree. Here angle XAD is equal to angle ADB is equal to 45 degree. First we are taking the right angle triangle ABC. Then tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side AB divided by adjacent side BC. Then root 3 is equal to AB divided by 200. Since tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 and BC is equal to 200, then AB in the same position, 200 shift to left hand side, we get AB is equal to 200 into root 3. Therefore AB is equal to 200 root 3. That is equation number 1. Here we are taking right angled triangle ABD. Then tan 45 degree is equal to AB divided by BD. Gives 1 is equal to 200 root 3 divided by BD. From 1, since AB is equal to 200 root 3, then BD shift to left hand side, then 1 into BD is equal to 200 root 3, then BD is equal to 200 root 3. Now CD is equal to BD minus BC, then total distance minus BC, then CD is equal to 200 root 3 minus 200. Here taking root 200 as common, then CD is equal to 200 into root 3 minus 1. CD is equal to 200 into 1.732 minus 1. Since root 3 is equal to 1.732, then 200 into 0.732, then 1.732 minus 1 we get 0.732, then 200 into 0.732 we get 146.4. Therefore CD is equal to 146.4 meter. It is given that the distance CD is covered in 10 seconds. அது ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் இருந்த போட்டு ஆஃப்டர் 10 செகண்ட்ஸில் டிங்கிற பொசிஷனுக்கு போகுது. ஸோ 10 செகண்ட்ஸில் கவர் பண்ண டிஸ்டன்ஸ் சிடி. தட் இஸ் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் 146.4 meter is covered in 10 seconds. Here using the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Here we need speed, therefore speed of the boat is equal to distance divided by time. Then 146.4 divided by 10, we get 14.64 meter per second. கொஷனில் கிலோமீட்டர் பர் ஆர்க்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ரைட். தென் 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then speed of the boat is equal to 14.64 into 3600 divided by 1000. Then 2020 cancel. Then 14.64 into 3.6, we get 52.704 kilometer per hour. Therefore speed of the boat is equal to 52.704 kilometer per hour. Thank you.